What's going on? Welcome back to Clotor Manufacturing. Hope you're having a great time today. You know, what brings us all together today is we're all working here. That's a good thing about this site. Okay, a lot of production being done here on this site. Okay, I appreciate you dropping by. All right, so now, what do you do when one of the darn chains that you select is freaking reversed? And what do? Are you going to dump the whole toolpath? No, you're not. You're going to figure out how to reverse the one chain. Okay? And if you stick to the end of my video, I'll let you in on a little secret that I know. Very simple secret, so don't blow up. That I know to help you when selecting your chains. You know, so don't miss out the secret at the very end. Secret strategies of Clotor Manufacturing. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to show you how to reverse one chain when there's multiple chains. Okay, let's see what we got going on here today. All right, so I got a path here. If we run this path, for heaven's sakes, this looks beautiful. Look at how beautiful. What is that? What? I just smashed everything. You smashed it up. Now what are you going to do? The boss is pissed. No, he's not, because you verified it on Mastercam and you caught the crash, so nobody's pissed. Okay, we're good to go. And you watched this video, so you know how to reverse the damn thing. Okay, so now we see where the oopsie is there. So now how do you reverse just that one? Well, what you do is you go into your geometry of that path. See, I'm in the geometry of that path. Go into there. Bam. Look at these chains. You can select these chains. Select the one that's wrong. Right click it. Reverse chain. Just hit reverse. Or you can hit R, the hotkey R. Okay. Boom. Rejuvenate. Look at that. It's fixed. My goodness. And sometimes after you regenerate and it's still not fixed, this is very, you got to come in here and you got to go to your cut parameters. You got to turn this back to left. Okay. So ultimately, that's all you need to do to reverse your toolpath. And this is very common. Okay. So I hope I helped some of you out there today. You know what I mean? It was great being here with you. All right, so let's go right into my secrets I can give you, because it's very simple, okay? And a lot of people do get confused. They get confused. So when your cutter here is on the outside of the part, see how it's on the outside of the part? You want to make it go clockwise for conventional milling, okay? I always want it to go clockwise. So outside of the part, if the end mill is outside of the part, you go clockwise. If it's inside of the part, you go counterclockwise. So that's the big secret I got to share to help out with this video. I would like to say I appreciate the backbone of Clotor Manufacturing, which is not only my subscribers, but all in all, my Patreons. I really appreciate my Patreons. Thank you very much for supporting me in what I do. My heart goes out to you, you Patreons. You're making a difference here. We're going to make a difference together. The more support I get, the more support I give. Okay? All right, man. Drop the link below. Hit that Patreon button. Do not miss another one of my videos, because you might crash the damn machine.